When I think of soul food, I think of the best of our tradition. I think about black people taking nothing and turning it into something that's not only healthy but beautiful and reflective of our people, and that pays a tribute to our gods and our ancestors.
When I think of soul food, the first thing that comes to my mind are macaroni and cheese and fried chicken.
I think about family and my friends.
Think of macaroni and cheese and sweet potato pie.
Kool-Aid.
When I think of soul food, what comes to my mind is a legacy of eating fresh and good.
I think of fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, collard greens, comfort food, and family time.